Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome on in. Sergio, hey, to see ya. Good to see ya. Happy Wednesday. We're going to continue with our we're building YouTube. We're building YouTube. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm excited for this. Here we go. Let's do this. So we have a lot of things that we got to take care of here. A lot of things on our list. What do we want to do next? Hey, Quick Fix. Hey, how's it going? Quick Fix. Do you want to help build the YouTube? You don't have to. It was a good idea that you had. So we're going to build, I'm going to start with the back end here. So we've got some of it. You do? All right, nice. Excellent. So I started on the Python backend. I've got our stub functions here, like fetch videos, search videos, upload videos. Commit it. All right, let's do it. Yeah, I actually did. I just need to create a PR for it. So git status, git add, git commit am. Okay, so let's see here. I think I have it on a repo over here. Let me find it really quick. It is called, let's see here. Let's just go to my GitHub really quick. Let me hide the window. Go to repositories. All right, so this is, here we go. It's this repository. I'm gonna rename this to, this is my fork of the repo. I'm gonna rename it to YouTube app. So let me go to settings here really quick. Let's do a rename. All right, so this is YouTube app. There we go. Yes, all right. Rename, perfect, done. Oh, did it go? No, it didn't, there it goes, okay. Then it doesn't work, it will. So then I'll create a PR to merge up with your branch, or with your repo. You have a GitHub action. Oh, so it should work because I'm just submitting a pull request to you here. So I'll open a new pull request really quick. Let's see, how do I do that? Let me see here. It's been a while since I've done this in this fashion, where I contribute to someone else's repo, create a pull request. Here we go. This is what I wanted to do. Yeah. So this is it right here. Okay. Initial backend setup. All right, perfect. Great pull request. Let's try it out. You need to enable read write for the action. Well, let's find out how it goes. Auto merge started. See if it works here. It might work. Oh, look at that. Oh wait, PR closed automatically. Modifying protected files not allowed. Oh, I modified a protected file apparently. What's the protected file? What did I modify? I don't even know. What did I modify? I modified, let's see what all the changes here. I created a backend file and a readme. I must have done something weird. Oh well. Let me know if you need any help fixing it. We could take a look at it later. All right, let's see here. So we've got a lot of things that I want to take care of here. Let's see here. Where do we want to go? We want to build the data. We actually have a lot of options available to us. I just clicked the go live button. I didn't make any plans. I don't know how we're gonna do this. All right, so let's create some order here. Let's create a little bit of order, and then we are going to figure out how we're gonna get this going here. Don't modify .get or readme. Oh, the readme is what I modified. Yeah. It's because I have everything here. This is the README. Okay, so what I could do is I could rename this file. The thing is, though, it's too late. So I'll have to... we'll have to figure it out later. Hey, back at it. Hey, Vicky. Good to see you. Happy Wednesday. Welcome on in. We'll have to deal with that later because I don't know exactly what we need to do because you need to force commit. Well, it is already committed, right? It's already committed. So it's on my fork. It's on my fork, right? Without a pull request? You mean straight to your repository? Oh, well, I suppose. All right. So if I can't modify the README file, which is what broke, if I can't modify the README file, then in order to fix that, I need to not have in my upstream the README file modification. So I already have that in the history. So it's kind of too late. It's kind of too late. I would have to delete everything and start over is what that would be. I think that's a better option. I could just delete everything and start over. All right, let's do that. All right. We're going to do a little bit of GitHub stuff today right now. A little bit of things on the GitHub repo. Let me see here. ls rm-rf.git mv readme to Steven.md. I'm just going to say Steven.md. Here we go. mv, there we go. Git status. Okay. And then we're going to say git init. There we go. Create a new repo. And then git add everything. Okay. Git, oh, there's a git workflow. We can't, oh, that's right. Okay. Can we, I guess we're not modifying the workflow. Let's just try and see if it works. All right. Commit -am first commit. There we go. Okay. And then we can say git push origin main. Oh, wait, we need to add the remote origin. Git add remote origin. Yo, IC Box, good to see ya. ICS, good afternoon. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Yo, how's it going there? Urabop. Yo, Urabop. You look like you oh, hey, wait. That's terrible. Don't say that. Without a pull request, yeah. So quick fix. We are going to, let's see here. All right. Welcome on in. Sorry. Hey, Urabop. Your name, I like your name, by the way. Urabop. Great name. Great name. All right. So let's see here. Git add remote origin. Let's see here. One second. Google add git origin main. Let's see real quick. I rarely do this. I always copy paste this. Okay. Git remote add origin. And then I need to add my URL origin. Let's see. Where's my URL at? It's around here somewhere. Here we go. All right. Hey, how's it going there? Glass Chin. Welcome on in. Hey, brother. You in the tribe too? What does that mean? Hey, Urabot kind of sus. I know, right? Hey, how's it going there? Pagelet. Good to see ya. Welcome on back. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you guys here. All right, where is my repo at? Is it around here somewhere? It's around here somewhere. Where do we put it? Is it around here? Here it is. There we go. All right, and then we're just going to copy and paste the origin here. And there's the remote URL. Can we do it that way, or does it need to be HTTP? Let's try that. All right, and git push origin main, and it should reject it. Origin main. Perfect. He got a 300-second timeout. Nice. Happy Wednesday, Paglet. Happy Wednesday. You, Paglet. Yes. Oh, no. Not you. Someone else. Someone else got the 300-second timeout. All right, so this is the rejection. -- force. Can we do that? Is that going to work? And that should override everything. Okay. Here we go. Reload it. Okay. Now it's in the Steven.md file. Now I should be able to create a new pull request, yeah? Yep. Hey, how's it going there, Rockin' Brain? Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're just doing a little bit of ops work here, a little bit of Git ops work. Let's see if we can make it. Let's see if we can make this work here. I think we can. Where is there isn't anything to compare. What? Oh, there's not? Wait, why not? Oh, wait, maybe we'd go this over here, yeah. Maybe I can say create a pull request. No, I can't do that. I have to do it from here. 1 second. Let's go back to Steven's YouTube app. Y'all good? Hello, y'all. Good morning. All right. Yo, when did you start? Just now. We just got started just about 9 minutes ago, actually. Just about 9 minutes ago. Farshed. Good to have you here. What's your GitHub? Steven LB. Here, I'll show you if you guys are interested. This is my GitHub here. Here we go. You can see all of my Git history. Look at this. Look at how many years are over here on this Git history, you guys. You know we're legit. It's all open source. You can see it. And this is not all my full history either, because I have other organizations. Yo, Loons, good to see ya. Happy Wednesday. Welcome on in. All right, you guys. So we've got a lot of code to write today. We got a lot of code. See if we're going to make some progress. See if we're going to make some progress. It would be nice. Oh, here we go. All right, main. No, we don't want this. I'm going to just close that real quick. Here we go. Perfect. All right, now I want to make a pull request on this. New pull request. Main to main. Okay. So now that it's there, it won't let me. That's just weird. Here we go. Commit. Everyone commits. Here we go. All right, see if we can get this. So I want. Oh, interesting. It's very possible. It is. Okay. So let me see here. Pull requests. They're closed. Now it won't let me create a new pull request with all my stuff. Obviously, this is all my things here. Where we gave it a shot. Oh, well. So here's what I'm going to do. This is my plan. I'm just going to continue to write code. And then we will, let's see here. Get status. Are we all good to go? Yep. Get log. First commit. Okay. Hey, on the Twitch over there. Hey, loons. All right. Over there on the Twitch. Let's see here. So, I mean, I see all these things. It just won't, there's no button to create a pull request. There's not a single button. What's the Discord bot features you made? The Discord bot. They are mostly for user management. I don't know. Let's see here. There's I don't actually use it that much. But the team does though. My action is broken. Okay, got it. All right. Yeah, understood. Yeah, since there's nothing to compare, but there definitely is something to compare. It's like, look at all these things. Look at all the changes. Did you see I made the demo work again? Oh, you did? Yeah, that's right. Done works. Yes, I did. Very nice. Thank you for fixing it. Thank you for fixing it. All right, look at that. That's crazy. Look how many years ago. How many years ago that was. That is amazing. I feel so old now, you guys. I feel so old. I think that's what it was. Okay. All right. Well, we're on the right track. We know what's wrong. We know what's going on. Click on the link for the live demo. Okay. This one here? No. Which one? Oh, Cloudflare. Try it. Okay, let's try it. Whoa! Dude, check it out. Hello. That is amazing. Wow. Whoa, check this out, loons. You made it work. This is like me looking way back in time. Yes. This is a time travel for me. Wow. That's crazy. You're not stop it. Bunzupi, I know. Hey, you pop in here just to talk about being old and stuff. Jeez, I know. Yeah. Yeah, well, look, this is something I made 14 years ago, and it's quite, hot. The avatars are pulled from GitHub. Nice! Although, that's a weird, that's not my avatar. That's a different avatar. All right, wow. This is 14-year code. Amazing. Thank you for getting it to work again. Hey, how's it going there? Oh, hey, Kaylee, how's it going? Whoa, that's a cool UI, ahead of his time. Okay, liquid glass before liquid glass, yeah? Yeah. That was like a decade and a half ago. I remember this. Wow. Yeah, chat basically put it all back together. They put it all back together, you guys. Pop in here. Can you say 6'7"? There you go. There you go, Paglet. 6'7". That's so cool. Love it. I know, it's neat. Wow. That's the avatar for Steven account, not Steven Blum. Oh. Here, let me try to read. Oh, so Steven LB. There we go. Now we're on the right track. Hey. Much better. Okay. This also means that you could be anyone, apparently. Hey, how's it going there, Shen Kublu? Shen Kabulu. I'm trying to say her name. Good games. All right. GG's. All right, loons. It's still the same SDK version. Hey, it's me. Quick fix. Yo. Hi. All right, look at all this. This is just neat. Wow. You can see the online people. You can see the chat happening. Bonzupi. Yo, Bonzupi joined. Or someone pretending to be Bonzupi. Bonzupi. Hola. Que pasa, mi amigos? All right. Good. Doing good. Wow. Oh, we can see different time zones. Crazy. What are we doing? We are taking a look at some old code from a decade and a half ago. This code that we're looking at is an app we wrote this almost 15 years ago. 15 years ago. Not 165, but 15. Hey, how's it going there, Senpai? Senpai Spiders. Yo, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Wednesday. See, not speaking Spanish? No hablo español? You did a little bit. There's some right there. Yeah, this is crazy. Hello. Hey, good luck, givers, takers. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Wow. Yeah, so all this code was handwritten for this app. It was all handwritten, obviously, because it was built so long ago. You're using your unpublished credentials. Nice. All right. English or Spanish? Hey, hacker typer. Yo, we want all these chat people. Look what's going on. This is crazy. Yo habla inglés. All right. You speak English. Okay, me too. It's quick fix. Oh, got it. I was wondering, like, who's that? Who is that? Ignore me like a bush. Wait, Piglet, Paglet. I want to see you making a Minecraft plugin. Not gonna lie. Okay, we could do that. Minecraft plugin. That is a future stream idea. Do we have that on our stream ideas here? Stream ideas. Do we have Minecraft on here? I don't think we do. Let's make a new one. Let's make a new post. All right. So let's see. Minecraft. Do we have it? Nope. Okay. So let's make a new one. Okay. Let's say Minecraft plugin. All right. So make a plugin for Minecraft. Maybe we can like do like a, what do you call it? Like an AI or something. Minecraft plugin. All right, so that'll be other post done. All right, there we go. For the free plan, what's the RPS of PubNub? Well, it's like 5 times 100 equals. It's roughly 5 times 100. It's like 500 per second. So that's a lot. Basically, you're good to go. Kotlin works too. Oh, nice. No way. Paglet, really? You can do Kotlin? Hey, Maverick K, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you here. I like your idea. Go to the YouTube clone setting in the GitHub. YouTube clone settings in GitHub. Okay. To do what? Go to the YouTube clone settings in GitHub for what? I could go there. Doesn't that mean you'll have to code in Java? Bonzupi? If we can do it in Kotlin, then we're good to go. Bro, your project's completed? Oh, well, this is a project from a long time ago. This is a 15-year... Hey, Gloomy Traffic, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you here. Nice, yeah. So I'm doing great. How about you? Nice. Doing very good. We're looking at some old code from many years ago. Not if you have 1,000 followers and they all come here. Yeah, that's a lot. Well, you know what? Even if you have 1,000 followers, look, we're only doing like one message every 10 seconds, right? So that would have to be 500 messages a second, and you wouldn't be able to read that. 500 per second is insane. It's insane. You won't be, you're good to go with 500 per second. You will struggle. Not even like really large, like super broadcasts have that level. We can fix the plugin action. Okay. So let me see. I'll follow your instructions really quick. Just let me know. Let me know what we're doing here. All right, so let's go over here. Settings. Hey, how's it going there, Nina? Nina Bias, hey, what's the plan for today? We're building a YouTube app. We're building YouTube clone, and we're also taking a look at the past here. How can you give away that much compute for free? Because we're big. Lots of compute power. We have a lot. Click on actions. All right, actions, click that. Okay, sure. All right, click on actions. Here we go. And we'll go into general. Okay, now we're there. Farshed, does PubNub mostly scale horizontally? Yes. We have globally distributed containers running on EKS across all of Amazon's data centers. Every data center scales independently based on the load requirements of that region. and it's auto-scaled through an HPA, HPA, horizontal pod auto-scaling policies in Kubernetes. Hey, Porter Jaguar, good to see you. Malcolm, welcome on in. Give the task to Claude, pretty much, right? Yeah, pretty much. You got it. More message per second. Yes, lots of compute power. That's what we're doing. Policies, okay. Let's go into policies. Policies. Here we go. Policies. All right, now we're in policies. This is a lot of work. So we could create a new policy, I'm guessing. You have a GitHub repo, light tools. Nice. Pub sub services are incredibly cheap, so to provide for free, right? We have a lot of capacity because we need to scale. We need to scale up. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. All right, channel. All right, 1 second. Wait, so you said policies here. So you said policies channel? There's only new policies. This is all that's available. That's it. You'll have your infrastructure pretty well optimized there. We do, and we're constantly improving it. We're making it way better. So lots of things to do. I think it's better to have chat app than YouTube or Twitch chat for a small streamer. Oh, I think this is a better chat app than YouTube. Oh, is it? Yeah, it's pretty good, yeah? Nice. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like the sound effect. It does. Yo, Show, thank you for this gold coin. My gratitudes to you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Steven, where's this chat at? If you go to our Discord and then you look under link share, there is a link here. You click on the link here and it takes you to a GitHub repository. And then there's another link here. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to give you a direct link here on a link share so it makes it a little bit easier. Here's the direct link. You just click on this and it brings you in and you type in your GitHub username. Type in your GitHub username there. Fun fact, this instance is running on Cloudflare pages. Oh, but not the main repo. It's another private repo with your credentials. Nice, Loons. All right. What stack are we using? For this, we're using JavaScript. This is JavaScript right here. So we built this in JavaScript 14 years ago, which is a long time ago. Then Chat decided to make it good. Loons was like, hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we revive this? Yeah. To stop the impersonation, I could use GitHub login. Yes, that would work. Yeah. You don't have a Discord, please here. Oh, Paglet. It's better if I want to share the link. I do. Let's see. Have a good day, everyone. Sergio, thank you, Sergio, for saying hi. Good to have you here. Yo, how's it going there? Hey, Prashant. Hey, Prashant, thank you for the gold coin as well. My gratitudes to you. Appreciate it. You're so very nice. Appreciate it. Oh, you guys make me so happy. All right. I can contribute to PubNub. It is open source. This is open source. The server itself. Yo, GCA. GCA is here. All right. Wow. This is so I built this a long time ago, right? 14 years ago. It's so amazing to see this come back to life like this. It is just really satisfying. Hey, thank you for the hundreds. Appreciate you guys. All right, I'll send the link here just once. And it's only for you, Paglet. At Paglet. There you go. There you go, Paglet. Just for you. It's been time, I guess. Attend your stream. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yo, how's it going there, channel? May I ask, you have Blum surname? Yes, that is correct. Stephen Blum. You got it. Yep. Here you go. Stephen Blum. That's it. That's the answer, right? I think so. I think that's the answer. We've got a lot of coding plans for today. So you can briefly tell the architecture info how it works on? Yes. So it's really easy. Yo, Eva. All right. Eva. All right, so, Evia. There we go. So, Eva. Yes. All right. So let's go through. We can go through the architecture. Absolutely. Okay. Let me get the music set up here. All right. Perfect. Okay. Hey, fam. Hey, show. Hey. Whoa. 6-7. I like that. Yeah, this is crazy. I told Ed to use the revive to make it responsive, and it just centered it. All right, perfect. Perfect. Hey, Yuval, how's it going? Thank you for clicking hi. Appreciate you being here. All right. So this is really neat to see. The architecture. So let's describe the architecture. All right. So the app that you see here on screen is just a standard static JavaScript, HTML, and CSS app, right? Standard CSS right here. It's Piglet. Yo, Piglet. Piglet. All right. Nice, Piglet. This is cool. It's neat, yeah. Isn't it? It's magic. It's magic. Hey, Snot. Hey, Snot123. Although now you've renamed yourself OX29A. Ah, OX29A. All right. Good to have you here. Snot, welcome back. 6 is afraid of 9 because 789. 789. That's right. Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. Yeah, okay, so the architecture. Let's jump back to the architecture. So the idea is, no, 789, so 9 isn't with us anymore. Oh, right. I forgot about that. I forgot about TY4. Oh, we should add emojis. We don't have emoji support yet in this chat app. So really, all it is just publish, subscribe over PubNub with the PubNub API, and then the front end here. That's it. That's really simple. It's really easy. Its project is for yes. It's old. It's old. Yo, you can do emojis. All right, there we go. Nice. Oh, yeah, okay. You got some link there. Okay, jump share. So it uses PubNub behind the scenes or a simple WebSocket. Yes, exactly. You got it. GCA, yes, PubNub. There you got it. You got it. Really easy API. You can build it. Wow, look at all this. This is so neat to see it. I'm just kind of very excited about this. Hey, quick fix. Jump share. So you want to? I'll take a look at this here real quick in a different browser window, so that way I can see what this is. Screen recording. What are you doing with the screen recording? I think it's pretty obvious with the two logos. Yeah, there's one logo here, right down in the bottom right corner. If you didn't notice it before, right, a little bit of logo there, and then there's another logo over here, and it says powered by. I wonder how it works. I don't know. This is pretty neat. It's pretty neat, you guys. Thank you very much for bringing this back. How is it different from normal WebSocket? Can you explain, please? It's basically a distributed message bus, right? So it runs in Amazon's data centers and EKFs in a Docker container with a series of different processes that manage replication of data, right? So you send a message, right? You type a message like, hello. That message gets transmitted into the data center. It gets routed to one of the processes through a load balancer. The load balancer will then figure out if that process is live or not. If it is, it tries to send a message. If the message fails, it tries to send it to another one. And then that process is called our publish process. It replicates that data to all the data centers in the world. And then all the data centers receive that information and then send copies to our broadcast system. So that's how that works. What's Amazon EKS? EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Service. It's Kubernetes service. It's Kubernetes what it is. That's what. Hey, Neon Java, good to see ya. Yo, Saturn Silk. What is a load balancer? It's a way for when you send data or you receive data on your computer and you're making an internet request. A load balancer needs to figure out how to route your request with everyone else's requests. Because there's like a billion people on the internet, right? There's a billion people on the internet, and they're all making requests to different systems. The load balancer is going to be able to easily sort of figure out where to send your request so it can get fulfilled and not fail. That's basically kind of the idea of it. Is PubNub a module library I can use? Yes. Yes, it is. Yes. You could say, pip install PubNub. You can say npm install PubNub, right? Install PubNub. There's so many options. Yo, Snot, you made it in. All right. Kyle? Wait, Kyle's here? Oh, Kyle, no way. Hi, Kyle. Hey, that's crazy. All right. Load balancer distributes your request among servers instances so you don't have to overload a single server with 1 million people trying to connect at the same time. Yep, Bonzupi, good explanation. Yo, Neon Java's here too. Neon Java. Wow. I didn't think that we were going to be spending time going over some old tech from 15 years ago. Hey, how's it go there? Drink more water. PubNub is a software as a service. It's more of like infrastructure as a service, IaaS. SaaS, it's not SaaS because SaaS allows you, basically, it's more of a user interface. Oh my God, stop. I know. Who needs responsive design for mobile? Right? Exactly. Does this have responsive design? I don't think it does. Nope. I mean, kind of. Not quite. Not quite. All right. So to fix the action, what is the, oh, to fix the action. Thank you. Okay. Got it. Okay. I appreciate it. Looks odd on mobile. Yeah, it scales. Yeah, it looks weird on mobile. This is before mobile was really a thing. There was no mobile. This didn't exist when we built this. Mobile didn't exist. Do you have live subtitles like that? Oh yeah. Hey chapter. Hey chapter. Good to see you. So yeah, we have live subtitles. They're sort of open captions because you can't turn them off. Closed captions you can turn off. Open captions means they're burned in to the video. What is this? This is an old 14-year-old chat system. 14-year-old chat system from many from way back. It's a really old chat system, and we brought it back. Whoa! Oh, you don't want to see that. Never mind. You didn't see nothing. Think about how people would care all this. Oh, this infrastructure. It makes sense. Yeah. Yep. Infrastructure. IaaS. Yes. That's it right there. You got it. When Steven made this. Oh, whoa. No way, Bunzupi. That's crazy. Hey, Goonie. Good to see you. What the hell? Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Wednesday. Thanks for saying hi. All right. 2000 had mobile. Yeah, they didn't. It was less of like mobile. Mobile wasn't first, right? It's like, so you know the mobile first movement? Mobile first movement. You know about that? You don't even know how it could handle that 6.7. 6.7 wasn't even a thing back then. It wasn't. Hello, Goonie. We're open initial connection and communication bus, and then publish from a client side and shared bus, and then each client subscribes to the same bus. Yes. GCA, yes. You figured it out. That's what it is, exactly. You're on a shared bus. A distributed bus, mind you, because we have billions of these messages going over. All data is sold. Hey, there you go, exactly. The presentation video for the iPad was 2012, so mobile was a thing. It was definitely a thing. It was a thing. It just wasn't mobile first. Like, for example, what I mean by that is there wasn't really like a mobile view. Right? It wasn't there. We didn't have like optimizations for mobile views back then, right? We didn't have good common practices for it. No way I'm doing that. Wait, Loons? I know. It was so much. It was so much work. MSN days. Goonie. Yes, exactly. With the butterfly. Remember that? Remember the butterfly? That's crazy. Wow. It's just so neat to see this. Someone is archiving this and scanning us in usable info. Yes, probably. Maybe. You're a smart AF. Whoa, I know. So that's the entire built with UI and all. And what's the stack? Oh, Cyberlanka. Hey, Cyberlanka. All right, so the stack is power. It's all PubNub, basically. Say it's all PubNub, 100% PubNub. And then the front end is JavaScript and CSS, right? So you got some JavaScript in here, HTML and CSS. So that's it. So you've got a sound.js and animate.js, JavaScript, and that's it. That's it right there. It's a really simple stack. So you got a front end, and then you've got this. Nifty. Hey, you did it. Yeah. So you can do all these. You get the gold star. Very nice. Does PubNub have its own servers? Yes. We've got a globally distributed infrastructure. Let's see, where is that at? Well, let me see over here. PubNub, here we go. Is it in this one? Here we go. I've got an idea. So we click on this link here. What do we see here? Do we do this one? Yeah, you can kind of think of it as a bunch of Amazon data centers, and we install our software there. We run it in Kubernetes, and we automatically route you to the closest data center. So we're all globally distributed right now. We're everywhere. We're all over the world. And we are connected to different servers. Each one of us is connected to a different server right now on this screen. And our message bus internally replicates the data across all those data centers, so we can all see the same data. What operating system hub and servers use? Linux. We do various containers for different runtimes. So I believe we're doing like either some using Debian, some using Alpine, some using Scratch, which is nothing, and some using CentOS, right? CentOS. There you go. Like that. Any CDN? Ace says meet a little bit. Yo, thank you for the star, the silver star chapter. Thank you, chapter. Appreciate it. This is actually cool. I know, right? It's pretty neat. Okay, I think what we need to do now is we need to spend more time building fun things like this, right? I think that's what we got to do. Cyber Jake, hey, how's it going? Any jobs available? Yes, we do. Absolutely. We got some jobs available. Whoever says yes, okay. Let's see. Okay, so check this out. We do have some jobs. Let me take a look here. Go down to our careers. Click on careers. Oop, not that one. Go to careers and not that one either. I'm really good at missing the click. There we go. Perfect. Here we go. All right, so we got some jobs here. We've got core systems Rust engineer, corp cancel if you're a lawyer type person. And then we've got some marketing roles as well. Okay, what did I miss? Cyber Jake. We're just talking about these jobs here. So you got some good jobs right here. Pubbing up a private company. It is private. At Farshed private. It's private. Private, hidden secret, only for the employees of the company. Hey, good evening. How's it going there, Amba? How's it going? Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Yo, Silver Star, thank you very much. Show, appreciate it. Thank you. So I appreciate it. My gratitudes to you. Making me feel good. Can you show a way how to run Python library modules under Rust? Yes, you can do that. You can do that. It's, I believe, Python 03. Python 03. I think this is it. Let me spell this correctly. Python 03. No, it's called Py 03. Py 03. Is this what it? Yes, here we go. So this is what you're going to do. There's several other approaches. This is a good starting point. So welcome to Py 03 User Guide. This book is a companion to the Py 03 docs, and it gets you the ability to wrap Rust code for use in Python and the other way around. This particularly is for Rust, though, if that's what you're looking for. Are those remote? Any available? These are all remote jobs, yes. These are all remote jobs. Remote jobs, you guys. All of them. See, if I could ban 6.7, I would have done that. Hey, no, this is like a free world. Like, there's no... Oh, I see you're trying to do some script injections there. Haha, you thought you got me. You thought me got me. Hey, the Forts, how's it going, pro? Good to have you here. We're going good. We just got a revived, very old, decade-and-a-half piece of software that's running right here. Someone's trying to do a little bit of script injection there. You tried to figure it out. Not going to work. Thanks. Absolutely. Are those senior positions? Well, I mean, probably. They're probably at. Although, you might as well swing it every shot, right? It's me, the script. I figured you're trying to do some... You're trying to hack it, aren't you? You're trying to hack it. I see what you're doing there. Yep, I see another one. All will be remote soon. If you do show up, use augmented reality control with a robot somewhere. Yes, exactly. Let's just hang out in our home all day long and just sit back in a comfy chair and say, hey, we're in the right spot now, aren't we? We're definitely in the right spot because it's very nice. It's very nice. I very much like it. All right, so we are going to be building... Oh, see? Script, You're trying. You won't be able to do it, though. I made it so you can't script inject anything here. There's no way to hack it. I was security conscious even 15 years ago when I built this. Steven Sanders' input field. Yep, not an amateur. Exactly. Exactly. You know, jobs for freshers. Oh, Crito. Hey, Crito Mark. Good to have you here. So we currently don't have any opening interns at the point. We don't. The gold coin. Jesus, welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Wednesday. Thank you for the gold coin. You got used to remote work when it feels weird now. I sit in an office. Oh, no. F-odd. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hey, Asus with the GGs. Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you for the good game. Oh, I feel bad for your office. Oh, that's tough. Because we used to have an office. We did. We had an office. Hey, James. All right. Thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. We do all of our coding by hand. And you guys are you're trying to break my app right now. You're trying to break it. Hey, Naru. Good to see you. Thanks for clicking the hi button. Welcome on in. What kind of content are you delivering? This is, if you're talking about the video that you're currently visiting right now, we are a software engineering channel. So we're going to write all of our code. We write all of our code by hand, you guys. We don't use the AIs. You're late today. All right. Well, good to have you here. You made it, I would say, plenty on time. Yo, Jesus, thank you again for the GGs. Oh, you're so nice to me. You're so very nice. Ah, dang, interesting. Yeah. Stephen, please answer my question. GCA, please answer my question. Okay. What did you develop initial prototype version of PubNub language-wise? Yeah, we did. So I'd say this was when Node very first came out. It was Node. And then we quickly went from Node to C. Node to C. So now it's in C, and now we're going C to Rust. So that's the evolution. So it went Node, C, Rust. That's the evolution right there. No AI? What a psychopath. I know, Jeff. I know, Beth. Jeff. Hey, I like your name there. Beth Jesus. Your name. Good job on your name. Good job on your name, Jeff. Beth Jesus. What's your on vibe coding? My take on vibe coding? I actually do vibe coding. I do vibe coding when we're not on stream. When we're not on stream, I'll do vibe coding. However, we are going to be doing some coding here, back end. All right. So yeah, so this is the plan. We are going to be doing this. Let me sort of close this here. Let me close that. Okay. And then we can open a new window here, and we can sort of, what we'll do is we'll have this window over here. I don't know what I was trying. Oh, I know, right? You're trying. Stephen did migrating languages affect latency of, yes. I mean, by a lot. Yes, by a lot. We did sort of went from, very high milliseconds down to like around, 1 to 5, 1 to 2 millisecond range. So it was like node equals slow, like hundreds of milliseconds. And then we went to C, which is like, very fast, 1 to 2 milliseconds. And then we did some optimizations and we got Rust down to sub-millisecond. So 0.5 milliseconds. So a lot faster. That's a lot faster. What your revolution never with Python? Oh, we had some Python. We did. We had some Python services. And then we've migrated those to Rust. Python to Rust. There we go. Hey, Rox, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you here. Emo here. Hey, Emo. Emu. What is that chat app you're using? This is a very old chat app from 14 years ago. 14 years ago. Oop, hey, Cat DevNull, you're trying to do things. Yep. Cat DevNull, Dev TCP. Interesting. I don't know what you're trying to do there. I don't know what you're trying to do. Why can't I scroll messages? Oh, well, it's it used to have a scroll, and then it's 14 years old. So yeah, no, there you go. That's what happens when it's 14 years old. How did my YouTube PFP come here? I don't know. I don't know. Technically, if I delete the Cloudflare page, I could still work since the page is cached for those who are. Oh yes, in the app it calls PubNub API. Yes, you're right. If you delete it, it'll still work. We are doing YouTube app clone. Yes, we are doing YouTube clone, and then we got sidetracked here because Loons revived a very old 14-year-old app that I wrote, and it's a chat app. And so we're spending time on the chat app just because it's really neat. Made this many years ago. You can even see in the Discord, as we're around here somewhere, some video. Yeah, some videos, some old videos from way back when. Some old videos from many years ago. Check this out right here in our old office. In our very old office. Which language is better? Each language has its own use case in industry. Well, mostly yes. So you want to use a language that's your ideal for the use case in the situation, right? If you're going to be building a web app, probably TypeScript and maybe Node for the back end, right? Typical web app. You don't need very big scale. If you're going to build infrastructure, then you want to do C or Rust, maybe Golang, right? Those are really good options. If you need extreme reliability and performance, you're going to go with Rust. For very specific use cases, you go with C still. And if you don't have extreme reliability or scale needs, you can go with Go because it's still very fast and it's very good. Classic founder era. Yeah, I know, right? Instagram clone would be nice. Yes, I agree. Agreed. Instagram clone would be fantastic. I'm with you on that. People fight with the language, right? Each language exactly. Exactly. What is your see here regarding how it is degrading the planet? Oh, it's not so much, right? Drowned soul inbound. So data centers, if you look at what's really draining the planet is farming cattle. That is roughly around like maybe 20%, 10 to 20% of the total world's waste and pollution comes from cattle farming, animal farming. If you look at data centers, it's 0.1% of the total pollution of the planet. And that's not AI data centers, that's all data centers combined. So cattle farming, 10 to 20%, data centers, 0.1 to 2%. It is nothing compared to cattle farming. So if you're eating animal products, you're actually degrading the planet. And you don't really... PubNub, yes, even if you could have invented any website or app, what it would be? PubNub. I like that idea. Wait, are you vegan? Yes. Instagram. All right. Yes. All right. Let's see here. So I'm missing some of the chats, you guys. What are you saying over here? Chat for filter bad word. Oh yeah, we could add that. We don't have that here. Wait, can I make a single HTML file? Yes, you can. What we'll do whenever they find this? I know, right? Exactly. It's free range. Whatever you want to do. Whatever you guys want to do. C++ greater than C? Oh, I like C better than C++. C++ has a bunch of extra stuff that I don't want. I just want regular. Do we have the chat history? You do. It's just that you can't scroll. You can't scroll on it. Because back then, this was a pretty heavy-duty interface. Now it's very lightweight. Right? This interface is very lightweight. So, test, hey, success. Success. And then green check mark. Success. You did it. If I missed your chat, you guys, just let me know. Let me know and say, hey, Steven, you missed my chat. Hey, how's it going there, SVR? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Channel, I read the docs in freestyle. Yeah. You don't agree with Loons? Because client connects to the backend server first. The server calls the PubNub API, right? This is 100% front end. So this is all client. This is just a simple client. Simple client plus PubNub equals serverless, technically. Technically, it's serverless. Hello. All right. I missed yesterday. Oh, Derek, hey, welcome on in. Look at what we have on the screen right now. Blast from the past. On the screen, you see a 14-year-old chat app that we built 14 years ago. We built this chat app 14 years ago. Mine would be AlphaFold. Oh, nice. AlphaFold is a good idea. AlphaFold would have been a great invention to have invented. That would have been a good one. Hey, Mark Lemon, welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to see you. Good to have you here. All right, you guys. So let's see. If you open DevTools, you can see the request directly to PubNub. Yeah, Loon, see right there. You got it. Now why PFP? Well, hey, just Blue Jay. What is PFP? How's it going there? See here. What's the most important, meaningful thing you are currently working on? I would say my satisfaction comes from AI and ML tech. That's where my satisfaction comes from. Profile pic. Oh, PFP is profile pic. Got it. Just a Blue Jay. Yep, here we go. Just a Blue Jay right here. It looks like a Minecraft player of a Blue Jay. That's what that looks like. That's what that looks like to me. All right, let me see here real quick and close this. Bring this up here. There we go. Just a smidge on that. There we go. Perfect. All right. Python web developer. This is JavaScript. Happy Wednesday, Mark. Good to have you here. Thing is okay. All right. So what I want to do now is I want to start building. I'll leave the chat open like on the side of the screen here, so you can't barely see it here. What I'll do is I'll just leave it right here, and then we'll sort of read it while we're doing some coding. All right. So we'll leave it here while we're doing some coding. All right. So let's see. How do we want to do this? Hey, good to see you, Web. All right. So, Shubham. Hey, Shubham, welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you here. All right. So let's make an idea about what we're going to build here. All right. So I would like to start with the database. So let's build the database first. All right. Perfect. So let's go through this. What we want to do. All right. So task order. So we're going to start with the database. Database. There we go. And then we need to do so let's get Postgres up and running in Docker. So we need to do this. All right. So let's do this here. Postgresql in Docker running, which should be really easy. And then we need to write the db.python file, right? Maybe we can call this database, right? Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. What are we developing now? Crito Mark. We are building YouTube. We're building a YouTube app. We're just building YouTube. Let's see. Let's see. We are building YouTube. Here we go. Perfect. All right. Building YouTube. Still not working? Wait, what is not working? If you open DevTools, you can see the request. Right. Still not. Yeah. If you are attempting to do any sort of script injection in my app, it's not going to work. I will give you a good prize. I'll give you a good prize if you could hack my app. I'm pretty sure you can't. Basically, the only thing you can do is just put text on the screen. Hey, Slick. Hey, welcome on, Slick. How's it going? Stopping by. All right, sounds good. Love from San Francisco. All right. Slick from San Francisco. All right, good to have you here. What do you think should be the minimum junior devs to be hired? What do you think should be the minimum? What do you mean, Adam? Adam, what do you mean? I'm kind of curious about that. What are you talking about? Are you talking about like experience? Don't want to get sued by Google for copyright. Yeah. So I'll have to big bug bounty. Might be poking server. Yeah, feel free. Bon Zupi. I would love it. Okay. So we can do database, PostgreSQL, and Docker. We'll get a Docker container up and running. And then we could do some Docker Compose maybe. Docker Compose, although it's a little bit early for that. And then we can run the application in our Docker Compose. And then we'll be able to grab the name of the container and use that as the address. So that way when we connect in, that would be nice. However, before we do that, I think it would probably be better if we just launched Docker directly and we ran our Python code on our laptop. Hey, brother. Hey, Crito. All right, so you have bug bounty? Yes, we do. We do have bug bounty. We absolutely do. Okay, so let's start with our Docker container. All right, so should we do a Docker Compose? All right, Docker compose.yaml. Okay, let's get some help here real quick. Google Docker Compose. Let's say Docker Compose simple example. All right, let's pull this up here real quick. All right, we've got a simple example right here. All right, I'm going to look at it off screen for a second. Really appreciate your attitude. Oh, Crito, thank you. Hey, that's very nice. Seems very kind and humble. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. What kind of bugs are in scope? Any kind of bug. All kinds of bugs are in scope. Every single one. Hey, how's it going there, Amy? Nice show. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for saying that, Amy. Good to have you here. Is there a page on the Pubnub site? Is there a page on the Pubnub site that you're going to try to pen test? It's mostly, I suppose, it's kind of up to you. It's completely up to you. I don't know what specifically you would be targeting though. Where would you even send proof you managed to inject? Oh, right. So like if you do a video recording, put it on Discord, something like that. What about what's in scope? I mean, it's all in scope, everything. If you can break the website and you can like put like your own like message on the website and then like basically take over, that counts, right? That counts right there. Right there. Amy, everybody, hello, everybody says Amy. Amy's saying hello to everybody. All right, I think we figured it out, you guys. I think we figured it out. Hey, how's it going there? Mindset Core. Hi, I'm new here. Welcome on in. Thank you for joining. This is a channel for software engineering. We're currently going to be building a Docker Compose file that's going to get our what do you call this? Yeah. All right, so we need to do version. All right, so we're going to do version 3.8. Here we go. I'm going to grab this. I'm just going to put this on the side of the screen so I can follow along. All right, version. We're going to say it's going to be 3.08, 3.08. Here we go. So this is a channel about software engineering. We're currently building YouTube. I know that sounds like a lot. We're not going to build all of it. We're just going to build a smidgen of YouTube, right? So Steven, here we go. Let me pull this up here. So this is what we're doing right here. We are building YouTube. This is what we're doing today, right here. And we also have a chat app that we have on the screen that we've had from many years ago that Loons revived. Loons revived it. And I'm very thankful. Hey, nice try. Nice try, HHH. Ha ha ha. Try again. Try Blumtube. Yes, we could call it Blumtube. Here, so we could say Bunzupi. Blumtube. Right? We could call this. Potential names. Potential names. We've got all of the architecture lined out and designed. We know exactly what this is. So this is what we're doing. We're building YouTube. And we're just getting started. So it's probably going to take us a week or two. Yo, I'm back. Hey, what are we doing? We're getting on. So you guys, if you want to try to break my app from 14 years ago, 14-year app. This is an app from over a decade and a half ago almost, right? I think QuickFix made a logo for CloudTube. Oh, right. That's right. I forgot about that, Loons. Yes. CloudTube. Or CodeTube. 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 You mean break chat app or Pubnub? Both. Both. It's whatever you want to do. Either. It's probably more fun if you try to break the chat app, though. Try to break this chat app. Obviously, you can spam, but that doesn't count. Hey, how's it going there? David, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Wednesday. Let's see. Oh, wait, how can I do that? You want to try? So there is on our Discord, if you go under link share, you can see this very old video from 14 years ago. Loons revived it. Loons revived it. And if you go, there's a link right here under link share on Discord, and you can join in on the chat if you want. You can join in on the chat of OG Pubnub app from 14 years ago. And if you can break it, I will give you a prize. We'll figure out what the prize is later. And breaking it counts like as you can actually take over. You can do script injection. You can, do like nefarious things. Loons is OG Blummer. All right. Loons been around for quite a while from at the early days of this stream. Okay. Hey, you made it in. All right, you're here. Yes, you made it in. You are here. Yes, you can participate. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Hey, how's it going in the Casqui? Where do we get the Discord link? I will share the Discord link for you here. One moment. Let me click on the share button. I'll copy that for you. Just for you at Casqui. There you go. Casqui. And then you just click on, then you get all of our links. You get all the links. So this is the best place to share links is on Discord because they're like, you know, persisted links there. Thank you. Absolutely. Just for you. Let's see. Does this count? I can break it voluntarily. Yes. Yes, break it. And you have to make my app broken, right? So you have to break it for other people. Break it so it, but you know, injects JS for other participants, other chat users, something like that. No, like change the code on my part in the repo. Does that count? I mean, you're just changing the code. You're not actually breaking the app. You're changing the application at the point. Hello, new subscriber here. What are you building? Hey, David. All right. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We're currently building YouTube. However, we got distracted. We got distracted by an old app that we wrote 14 years ago. We can send spaces. Yes. Yes. Space support. So supported. And we're having fun with it because it's neat. It's really neat. You can see a video from 14 years ago when we released it. Here we go. It's a video right here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Are we recording? Wait, no, stop. Pause. There we go. Yeah, so this is the video from 14 years ago right here.
I'm going to quickly demonstrate to you with this sample application what that means. Now check this application out.
That's me from 14 years ago, you guys. That was me from 14 years ago.
Got the beautiful shading and the curves and the color. I built this application using technology.
I built it a bit with technology. Yeah, that was 14 years ago, you guys. And so this is the app right here. Is this thing using SQL or PHP? Neither. Neither of those technologies, Mindset Core. Technology. You got it, Shubham. You got it. Technology. All right. So let me get this going here. Is this? Let me pull this over here. I'm gonna look at off screen some. This is the docs I'm looking at here. All right. So let's go over here. Okay. Loons is an OG. Oh wait, I already read that. All right. So check this out. So we're gonna say, how do we want to do this? All right. So we're gonna do Postgres. We need a good Postgres. So we'll say database. There we go. We're gonna call this we need to say image. I think, right? We got to say image, and then so this is basically what we're doing here. All right. Let me grab the next song. Let's go. Yep. All right. Sounds good to me. Here we go. Okay. All right. 14 years ago, 2012, was doing CodeIgniter and Photoshop. Yeah, those were the days, right? CodeIgniter and Photoshop. I remember those days. Presence, we are technology. Yes, exactly. All right. So let me see here. Let me grab image, and we need a Postgres image. All right. So let's see. Is there like a good Postgres Alpine? That's what I want. PostgreSQL Alpine Docker. All right. Here we go. This is what we're looking for. I think. Yep. Looking good. All right. Which one do I want? Let me see here. So we'll just say Postgres Alpine. We could go like 18. Can we do that? Is that something that we can do? Maybe 19 is in beta. So let's see if we can just do 18. So we say Postgres : 18 -Alpine. There we go. Like that. I think that'll work right there. That's a good option. I think that's a really good option. You should do some videos on the Pubnub headquarters, like a day in life in an entrepreneur. Whoa, gloomy. We used to have a really beautiful office in San Francisco. It had brick facade inside. We had the entire top. We had the entire floor, so it was the entire floor of the building, and it spanned out. And the kitchen was like centered, and we had engineering and marketing and sales and like all the different departments all set up. We had different meeting rooms. It was great. Then 2020 came around and we started working from home, and we just stayed working from home. We never went back. Very cool office. Yeah. So we do have some original Pubnub office stuff here. So Pubnub office photos. I think we have some of those. Do we have these? Yo, check this out. Okay, so these are, this is not the, let me see here. So this is not the full office. So let's zoom in. This is one of the offices that we had here. This is just one of them. All right, so we could see, can I zoom in? Is it gonna let me zoom in maybe, just a smidge? No zooming is possible? All right, let's do that. Yep, so this is a Halloween thing we did. Let's see if we see other ones. Yep, this is the Folsom Street office. But we had a Bryant Street office as well, which is the more recent one. Yep. Those are different events. Okay. This is an office in Poland. That still exists. We still have that office. That's still a real office. See me right there? Izzy, yeah, you, really? And HTML, no JavaScript, CSS always. You do, oh, Bonzupi, JavaScript, CSS? I was very into those things. I actually got into those things pretty well. All right, so... Yep, this is some of the team. That's us on stage, probably. So some videos from a long time ago. All right, I'm sure we've got more photos. Let me see images. Oh, yep. Here's one of the office photos in Folsom Street, right there. More Folsom Street photos. I don't think our Bryant office got too many photos. I don't think so. This office, we still have this office. This is in Poland, Katowice. Yell at me. Yo, Eminem, welcome on in. Good to have you here. All right, it's not dangerously insecure. It's not, yeah, not dangerously. Not dangerously. So this is our Folsom Street office. So it's like jumping back and forth. Is that it? Is all the photos we have? Do we have any other photos? I don't think we ever did too many photos in our other office. Oh well. Oh well. That's all I have for now. That's it for now. Okay, let's get back to coding. Why Poland? Because that's just one place where we have a headquarters there. Not the headquarters are still San Francisco. It's like just one of our offices. So we've got Poland, we've got London, we've got some India. Where else? A couple other places that I'm trying to. I know we've got maybe like a few other places in there. Oh, we do. Those are just the places off the top of my head. When are we starting a company? Oh, we starting a company. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know when that'll happen. Someday, maybe. See, here we go. Pubnum seems like a very cool company. Oh, Loons, thank you. Loons, thank you. Thank you very much. Bro, you have an office in India. Yes, we do. Absolutely. I don't know. I've never been there, though. I know that sounds weird. I know. Wait, which Steven? You can't. Yeah, I know. I know. Yo, who's X question mark? Yo, X question mark S. Hi. All right. We got some. This is amazing, you guys. This is really neat. Hey, nice try there. See? That's the kind of hacking that you're supposed to do. Todd has been there, right? Yes. Todd and I are co-founders. Nice try. Nice. Keep trying. See, you're doing it the right way now. You're doing it the right way. You're attempting to script inject. And the only thing that's showing up on the screen is just text, which is not a problem. It's very cold there. Yeah, it is. It's very cold. It is. You're absolutely right. All right, so now that we've got our container, this is going to take forever now. I know it is. All right, so we got our image. What else? We need to set some environmental variables, I think. Here we go. Where is this at? Here, okay. So what are the environmental variables that we need to set for this? Do we have some in here? Here we go. All right, so there's a password. What else is there? Postgres. Let's see here. Is there like different password? Okay, underscore. Let's see. We've got password. Is there another one? There's user and there's DB. Okay, perfect. All right, so those are the environmental variables that we want. All right. Image source. Hey. All right. What does pubnum mean, and what value do you bring for general people or society? We connect users across the planet. We allow communication. Reliable, secure, guaranteed communication. Can the prize be cash? Sure. Sure. Yes. Okay. So communication is what we do. We provide communication for you. All right. So we're here. Solution, core services. Where is this a good one? Maybe. I'm just going to see if I can find a good page for you. So we provide communications for the world. We built in-app communication. So if you see, if you've probably used our technology before and you didn't even know it. We've got Logitech, Yelp, Scopely, Swiggy, DocuSign, Gcash, DAZN, TalkShop Live. And it just keeps going. We've got tons of companies that use us for multi-user communication, multiplayer gaming, digital healthcare and telemedicine, right? So if you need to talk to a doctor and you want to talk to him over your phone, that uses our tech. E-commerce, so if you're buying things or you're bidding, live bidding and auctions. Stock quote takers, financial instruments are updated in real time using our technology. If you're talking to customer support, you're chatting with them, right? And so you might be, hey, help me. If you're ordering food, right? Transportation on-demand delivery. That's what we do. If you refer me to India office, they have to take me, right? I mean, maybe. Here's the deal. It'll have to, they'll have to talk to you first. They'll have to talk to you. I think that's the idea. They got to talk to you guys. Let's see. Where is my next window? Here we go. Okay. Bring my code back. All right. So we have to do a few things here. We got to set some environmental variables. Environment, I think. And then we can 1-2 type in the environment for Postgres DB. And then we need password. Redo. Here we go. We're going to do password. And then also, what was the other one we wanted? There was another one we wanted here. Let's see here. No, I will have to give the interview stuff. Yes, exactly. Exactly. You got it. I'm with you on that. But if you say, hey guys, hire them, shoot him. I don't do that. I don't. I know that sounds like something that would be nice. What I do though is say, hey, here's a referral. My life will be set. I know, right? Right? So if there's a role open, I can refer you and the team will have to interview you. If they choose that you're a good fit, then they might hire you. That's how it works. So we're going to do password. Did I already say in password? I did password. Do I have database? What else was there? Password. User. I need user as well. All right, perfect. Bring this back. So user, password, database. All right. And then I think I can set this here. We're going to say equals YouTube. All three will be YouTube. Okay. So now when I start this, it should, do I need to do a persistent? Let's see here. Docker compose persistent volume for PostgresQL. Let's see here. I would like it to save. So when I restart it. Yeah. All right. Right. All good things. Okay. We could do a port and our persistent. Okay. Perfect. You already said user instead of back. Oh, hey, quick fix. Welcome on back. So we are attempting to see if anyone can hack my app. Right now, you guys are trying. A bunch of text on the screen is as far as you can get. And that's not really hacking. It's just you're putting a bunch of text on the screen. If you can like delete the app or take over or script inject and actually do some damage, that counts. And then you win. Hey, Memphis, what's popping? Building Docker images today? Yes, we are. We're getting our YouTube app going. So we're building Postgres here. We're doing Postgres first, getting this all set up. And then I want to make sure we get everything here. Let's see here. Okay. I think we need to make it like a data directory. Here we go. So do I have data? I do not currently have a data directory. Let's do this. mkdir data. There we go. ls. All right. So we got Steven, Docker Compose, data, and backend. Perfect. Okay. And then we need to set the volume, I think, right? Do we do that? Yeah, volume. Okay. And then we say, how do we do this here? We'll put this as data /postgres, I think we could say. And then on the Postgres database itself, we got to do something else, right? I think this is it here. I think we have to copy paste this real quick. Like that. There we go. Okay. So that should do the trick. This right here, I think. We can also do ports. And then we say here, well, 5432, which is the common port. There we go. Perfect. Does crashing the system count as DDoS? I mean, you can try. You can try. It's got built-in safeguards. So technically, yes, it does. You're right. It technically counts. If you can do that, you win. If you can do it, you win. But you probably will take. It would probably be expensive because we've got a lot of stuff set up. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, how did you configure NeoVim to program with Python? Oh, I didn't. So first off, thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Hey, Cardum, good to see you. Erdem, welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. All right. So wait, in 1 second, you guys. Some chats here. So you asked for NeoVim. So first off, this is regular Vim. And then for Python, I'm just using the stock. I'm not doing any advanced configuration. Easy answer. Easy answer. My guy, this is hosted on Cloudflare. How are you supposed to DDoS this? Well, the front end will be a challenge, right? And the back end will also be a challenge. So Cloudflare is hosting. Oh, you win. You win. You did it. Who did that? Who did that? Wait, you win. Who did it? It works. Loons, was that you? That was you? Wait, you win. Congratulations. You did it. Now you have to show me how you did that, first off. No, it wasn't me. It wasn't? Okay. Me? Wait, you guys, you gotta have proof. You gotta put your, you gotta proof it. All right. So that was on a mouse over. You did a mouse over. So you have to put your name, whoever did it. Whoever did the mouse over. Put your name. It was Shubin, it was you? Okay. Hit me up on Discord. You get a prize. You get a prize. Loons, you did some modding there? Loons modded. Nice. Loons mod. No, it's not. No, it's you. All right, you guys, you have to prove it. You have to prove it. Who did it? Who did it? That is not hacking. Technically, you're right. Technically, you're right. But it was still beyond what I was expecting someone to be able to do. That was pretty neat. That was pretty neat, you guys. Let's see. Nice. Very nice. Hey, Alex. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. You did it. Hiding the evidence, TY Loons. All right. So hit me up on Discord. You definitely deserve some accolades there. You definitely deserve some accolades. Who did that? I know, right? Who did it? Who did that? Very nice on the mouse over. On the mouse over, you guys. All right, so let's see here. I think this is all the things that we need. I don't think we need anything else. Let's see if we can build this up here. All right, close. There we go. All right, so Docker compose up. Wait, Docker compose up. It did not, wait, line 1 did not find expected key. I mean, that looks good to me, right? Doesn't that, wait, did I type that wrong? Thank you for the hearts, you guys, appreciate it. Whoa, Flutter. Hey, there you go. You're flooding them now. Hey, look at that. I love that. I love that. Good job, Flutter. Can you please show your command side where you can control like search on Google? Yes, Danif. Absolutely. Absolutely. Here, so let me open up here. 1 second. E, thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. Hello, everyone. Hey, check that out. Yep, instead of saying alert 1, say alert your username. Do that. Put alert your username. Whoever's doing this. Whoever did it. Whoever did it. You gotta make it. You gotta make it. Gotta make it look good. Did I forget something? I did. I forgot services. Okay. We can add that. We can add that. So yeah, Vim R, no, not Vim RC, ZSH RC. Here you go. Google. All right. I'll copy and paste this for you onto our Discord under link share probably. I'll put it here. So if you want, this is an alias that allows you to do Google search in your terminal. It's really easy. Done. Oh, you did it? All right. So it was you. New railed. Okay. Here we go. New railed. There. All right. Right. Nerdin. Good job. You did it. Congratulations. All right. All right. Actually, I'm going to put that on general. General. Good job. You say NUREDDIN. You did it. You did it. You broke it. You broke it. It counts. It counts. Check the image. Burb site. Yeah, there you go. We did it. Good job. You did it. That counts as script injection because this allows you to take over other things. So if you can actually execute arbitrary code on someone else's system, it allows you to take things like, for example, cookies. You could steal cookies. You could steal information. You could steal the information. Hover my name. There you go. You did it. Already implemented, and so can open apps with, but sometimes not work perfect. Oh, right. Yes. If you put like extra symbols in it, then it won't work. Like a question mark or a quote mark sometimes will cause it to fail. Oh, quick fix. You didn't quite get it. Shoot. I know. Right? Nerdin did it. Almost up. You did it. Good job. Thank for the hearts. Appreciate it. All right, you guys. So I need to add the services in here really quick. This is going to be the slowest thing. Here we go. Services version. All right. So I think this is what it needs to look like, right? Like that. Okay. Let's try it now. Docker Compose up. Let's see here. Service, database, additional properties, volume not allowed. Did I do that wrong? Oh, did I? It should be volumes. There we go. There we go. Hey, look at that. All right. We're making progress now. Database up. Docker Compose down. There we go. Okay. So this will now we've got Postgres up. It only took a little bit of while. See? Only looks like Newerdin's the only one who's able to do it. I know. It was a good trick. It looks like you did it on some extra something. Like something that's not being protected. You did it somewhere. Something not being protected. It must be information about the user or something. JS manipulation. It is very... Burp site. I played with the payload. Hey, there you go. That's the way to do it. Nice. Good job. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. You did it. Success. You win. You win. You did it. You win. You won. All right. You can check it. Okay. Let's see here. Burp suite. Oh, that's how you did it. Got it. Okay. Understood. Okay, so now we've got our compose, git status, git add, git commit, added Postgresql server in Docker Compose. All right, push to main branch. Looking good. Okay, let's close this. Now we need to by Steven. Okay. We got Docker, one check mark item, one check mark. At least we did one, right? Just one. At least we got, technically we did Docker Compose. Now we need database. And we also need our schema. So we need our schema. And then we could put that in a separate file. Although I suppose we could merge everything, right? I suppose we could. We could probably do that. FRSG. What's the prize? I don't know. You have to send me a message on Discord. Noureddin, send me a message on Discord at send me a message on Discord when you get a chance. How do I send messages? On the screen here. So if you go to link share and you go to link share on our Discord, there's a link right here called PubNub Chat Channel Presence. If you click on that, it'll ask you to type in your name. So you say like Stephen LB, for example. You type in your name and then you say hello. And then boom, now you're chatting. Send it DM. Yes. DM Discord. DM in Discord. DM in Discord. Ooh, nice try. Oh, I like that. Trying to get a random string to say in there. I like that. What is this? What are the char codes here? Obviously, it says like, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 words. All right, let's do this. We're just going to cheat. We're going to cheat. Gemini. All right. ASCII codes to string. All right. Gemini will figure it out. It'll figure it out. We could write some code for it. It says GCA. Oh, it's your name. All right. GCA 1411. Nice. Hey, how's it going there, Unity? Are you vibe coding? We are regular coding. We are ordinary, the old coding way. Clicked on the pop-up. Yeah, the one on the top. That's the one on the top. You know it. You have a question? What is your relationship to Blocks AI? Oh, that is it's a new stack that's supposed to allow agents to communicate really well. It adds multi-agent communication. It's the technology that our team built at PubNub. So that's my relationship with it. Which language? We're going to do Python. I wanted to do Rust. I did want to do Rust, though the popular request was Python because it's a shared application experience, right? So it's a shared experience, which means that if you want to contribute, you can contribute. And everyone was like, we should do it in Python. So Python's the answer. So let's do a schema and let's do a database file. All right. So let's open up here our schema by, let's see here. Hold on a second. By backend schema.py. Okay. Let's see here. We should probably say table, right? Maybe the main, there's just one table. There's just one table, right? So we'll say table equals 1, 2, 3. Okay. Say create table if not exists YouTube. We'll call this YouTube. YOUTUBE. Okay. And then we need to define what we want as the like, for example, it'll be like title, description. Here we go. Perfect. Okay. Hey, Risha, welcome on in. Thank you for clicking on. Is Rust easy? Rust is more difficult than Python, right? Table is misspelled. Thank you. Thank you, Bonzupi. Appreciate it. Yeah, sometimes. Did I misspell description? Description. Is that right? Is that how you spell description? I feel weird about this. All right. Here, close this. Google description. Here we go. All right. Yeah, I spelled that right. Okay, good. All right. Works great on mobile. Hey, nice. Nice. Good to hear. Okay. Yo, you got that going. Yep, you got the click going. Very nice. You did it. Look at that. You're breaking it. You're doing good. Can we test more things or going to make the website lagging? Do whatever you want. It's up to you. Norden, it's up to you. See, there you go. You took over. That counts. You figured it out. Good job. Python dev environments are notoriously complex. Yeah, so we're going to do it in Docker. Docker for the win. Hey, how's it going there, Logic? Welcome on in. Rust is more organized, in my opinion, more robust. Yes, I agree. I 100% agree. I like my Rust. And it builds and runs in any of the environments that you need it to. You don't have to worry about too many other things. Your spelling mistakes make us know you're real and not an AI avatar. Hey, Gloomy Traffic. Thank you. Thank you, yes. We're real. Real human with real mistakes. You should study Rust or Python. Ooh, good question. All right, title, description is a varchar. Oh, we'll say like 128. And then description is text. Okay. I'm going to indent that so it's pretty. All right, create YouTube. There we go. The message is clean, but the name will pop an alert. Yeah, there we go. So it's all about the name. That's what it is. That's where the trick is. You got to put it in the name. You did it. You figured it out. Very good. All right, so create table. What else do we want here? We need views as an int, and let's see here, views, likes, like that. Okay. Let's double check that I've got everything good here. All right, close this. There we go. Okay. All right. Let me fill the rest of this in here. Okay. Thanks Bonzupi. Python is a really good choice. It is. It's the top choice. Logic. Good student perspective learning Python until you get the basics. Yes, I 100% agree. 100%. When features become flaw. All right. Go. It happens. It happens all the time. Okay. So let us build these things here. Let's finish building our table. So create table, if not exists, our YouTube. And then really this should be called videos. I think this should be called videos. And then we're going to have an ID, which is a primary key. Let's see. We need a unique ID, which is going to be a UUID. So this will be a UUID. Text, primary key. Golang's also a language. It's also a good one. Yeah, that's also a good one. I like that language too. Hi, bro. Good evening. How's it going there? Good to have you here. Taking an 18-hour course on Python for business analyst. Nice. Good to hear it. Never heard about Golang? Golang's a really good batteries included language. Really good batteries included language. So we're going to have a UUID here. Let's make sure to get all of our syntax properly. Wait. There we go. A little bit of commas there. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Want to travel? Can you send me a ticket to Silicon Valley, please? Oh, hey, there you go. Bring in to San Francisco. How's it going there, Jisoo? Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Thanks for clicking hi. It makes so much fun to configure a terminal. Thank you for your video inspiring configuring a personal. Hey, there you go. All right, Danafix. That sounds great. Do you have some extra tips? So, yeah. So if you have tmux set up, I like having the text highlight feature, tmux. So you run your escape command, and then it allows you to, work in multiple windows. I don't know if you've done tmux yet or not. I do recommend tmux. It's really, really nice. It's really good. Satisfying. Feels like we're disturbing your project. Hey, it's all fine. That's why we're here. We're here because you're here. We're here because you're here. All right. So we should also have a date where it's uploaded, right? Upload date. Upload date is going to be a date time, right? Let's see. Can we do a date time? Date time. Right? I think that's the kind. And then we say now. Right? Date time now. Automatic. I think I got that wrong. One sec. Postgresql date column. And the pub key behind the chat has been disabled. Has it? Oh. Oh no! Oh, that's the end of that! Oh, wait. Oh, why'd you do that? Oh, did you do it? Okay, you did it. Okay. You disabled it. Got it. Okay. Well, there goes the fun. Loons just stopped the... There you go. All right. Good job, everyone. Oh, wait. No, something made it through. Just testing something different. Good job. All right. You did it. You did it. Disable stops from the XSS happening. Yeah, so that's happening because the front end has missing a field or two on the clean function. So there's a clean function in there that removes XSX or, in script injection. So that is good job. Good job. All right. You did it. Good job. Good job. Torvalds, yes. I didn't learn that much about C. Oh, C is really good. C is great. It's coming back like in an hour. All right, sounds good. Sounds good. Okay. So let me bring our full screen here. Okay. So let's make sure that we get everything correct here. Let me pull this back over here. Bring this up here. Close this. Bring this full screen. There we go. All right. So date time auto sets now. Let's see. I need an example for this for a create table. Default current timestamp. This is what I needed. All right. Timestamp. That's what we wanted. Timestamp. Okay. Upload date. Timestamp. Perfect. Okay. So we've got our ID, upload date, title, description, and I guess we could just put this also as text. Text, int, likes and views, and that's it. I think we're good to go. I think that's it. So this is the table. All right. Go here. And then we could say, how do we want to do this? How do we want to do this? I mean, probably, we could probably just put this as a database, right? So let's see, cd backend mv schema to database.py. There we go. All right. Looks good to me. Vi database. All right. So there's our table. Def create, or maybe we call this like setup. There we go. And then we could go, oh, wait. We need to do a connect. Def connect. And then let's see here, def pass. We can do a pass. Every time the server boots, we'll create it. Hey, Bro Code, welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you here. Thanks for saying hi. Don't you have burnout days? Oh, generally code for 10 days, but then I need to get some, yeah, code for 2 days and I'm back coding. Yeah, there is burnout. It definitely happens. It's nice to give a break every once in a while. Me too, Bonzupi, mostly with AI these days too. Been learning Rust? Nice. All right, pass. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. All right, here we go. Setup, connect. Then let's see here. This is going to return like, oh, so you are earning. Wait, Unity, are you talking to Bonzupi? Okay. All right, let's see here. Now we've got our schema. We've got our primary key, or just enjoying. There you go. Both. Yeah, both at the same time. That's the best option. Earning and enjoying. Okay. So let me see here. I want to make sure I got everything right. And now we need to create a connection with Python to initialize everything that we need to do here. All right. Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay. We need to grab a Google Postgresql Python driver. That's the way we used to call it. It's not really a driver. It does not count as a driver. All right, scicog. All right, so we'll use scicog. Looks good to me. Perfect. Okay, pip install scicog. All right, legacy recommended. Okay, so let's add this to our vi requirements. Requirement. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no, our requirements went away. Oh, that's really annoying. Okay, so vi, we can rebuild it. That's not a problem. Requirements.txt. Okay, so we're going to grab scicog binary. We need, what else do we need? Fast API and UVcorn. UVcorn. We need to grab the latest versions of those. All right, so let's grab these guys. Oh, nice. What do you... you can earn by applying for a job, building some crazy startup project. There you go. That's the way to do it. You did it the right way. Lazy Vim or normal Vim better? Denifix, they're kind of the same, right? They're the same. Lazy Vim is batteries included, so it comes with a whole bunch of pre-installed packages. I like regular Vim because I don't want the extras. Look on my screen up here. It's super clean. There's very little going on, right? If I need a directory, if I needed to load a directory or a file from a directory tree, I can open that up right now. Like I could say, I want to load this file or I want to load this file, right? So I don't always want the directory tree visible. And I only want line numbers and the text. That's it. You can be really good at IT support. Ooh, if you want. Mostly doing AI kata learning using free sources using RAG. Oh, go. Mostly it's go. So tell us more. Go, tell us more. Go, tell us more. I'm curious about it. Okay, let's see here. All right, so we got a table cut. Now I need to use scicog. Let me see. Async only. Ooh, highly optimized for perform. This is what we want. Ooh, I'm glad I read that. All right, we want that one there. Here we go. That one. I want that one. All right, so here we go. And then we're going to want to use this here. We're going to use this. Async. Pip. Async. Okay. Grab this version here. Okay. We're going to use 0.31.0 equals 0.31.0. There we go. And then we're going to do UV-corn. UV-corn. We're going to grab... wait, I got to type that. UVI-corn. UVI-corn. There we go. All right. 151. Perfect. And then fast API. Fast API. And then this is a version 139. Okay. There we go. So these are our requirements files. Nice. Does this on PubNub will crash and way too, or is it way too secure? Yeah, the API itself is secure. The web app that we were currently working on had a vulnerability where you could throw in any kind of text to be rendered on the screen for the username. The username did not check the data coming back. So that's part of the problem. And if you did that, that would have fixed it. It does work and gives you info when you type in words in chat. Oh, it does. Is it back? Did Loons bring it back? Here we go. Let's see here. Reload. Stephen LB. Test. Loons didn't bring it back yet, I don't think. No, I didn't? Okay. Yeah, it's not back yet. Nope. Talking about your project. Oh, go. Okay. All right. Thank you. I was wondering. How far are we with the YouTube clone? Very not far at all. We got distracted today. We had a lot of fun. We've got our, let me see here. All right. So pip install -r requirements. Make sure we got all our things good. Git, add, git status. All right. We did our DB, database, and deps. Go and deps. Dependencies. There we go. Dependencies. Loons, everyone wants you to bring it back. They're like, please, Loons, please bring it back. Please bring it back. Sorry for that. Maybe I sent too many test messages. Might be overwhelming the channel. I stopped now. Okay. Thank you. Loons, also, if you want to fix the hole, the hole is with some of the data that's being populated on the page. It's not the chat message itself. So let's see if I can find it. Chat.here. All right, so we've got a clean function. So you see how we have this clean function here? I remember this from 10 years ago, you guys. So there's this clean function here that prevents script injection, right? Script injection. You need to do this for the user as well. So see how the user is not clean? You got to add clean on the user. So this will fix it. If you just wrap this line with clean, that'll do it. That'll make it work. Yeah, absolutely. I'm pretty sure that's the ultimate thing. And I'm pretty sure. Let's see here. There might be another place. The UUID, potentially time as well. Maybe. So you want to throw clean around all these things. Like any of these inputs. So you see how it's only on the body? You might want to do it on everything else. Hey, Sergio, welcome on back. Good to have you here. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. All right. Dracula, modern on. Hey, there you go. Oh, the light, Steve. Yep, the light. Sorry about that. Dracula mode. Whoops. Yeah, it was a little bright for you. I apologize. Yeah, now we're back. Okay. Let's see here. So I want to look at some of our example. Oops, sorry. I had to do that for a second. It brings back over here. Okay. Where's our other window at? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So here we go. All right. So I want to see example Python. Okay. Was learning about fast. Ooh, nice. I've never seen this before. What just happened? That was weird. Oh, I must have clicked it. Okay. Yes, here we go. Okay. So I believe we could just say import async CPG, which I'm not familiar with. I don't know if this will work. I don't know if this will work. Here we go. Let's go to backend. We say main, and then we say import. Let's do import database, right? Oh, videos actually should be importing database, not videos. So let's open up the videos, backend videos, and we say import database, I think, right? Now let's see if this works. We'll say server. Our server is, we call UV corn main, CD backend, UV corn main app, I think, right? Is that right? Is that how we do that? And then we say, did it work here? Oh, address already in use. Oh, we must have it around here somewhere. Ah, we do. Okay. It's here. Here we go. UV core main reload. Okay, let's do reload. Yes. All right. Perfect. Let's close this. Rid of this. Okay. And then we will say -- reload. -- reload. There we go. All right. Hello. Hey, Krish. Good to see you. Welcome on back. How much lines of code already done of right? Very, very little. 10 Moy Paul. We got distracted at the beginning of the stream. We got a little bit distracted. Reload. Yep. There we go. UV corn source main app. There. Yep. Ashu. There we go. We did it. Ashu. Why can't I see gloomy typing loons? Loons, is it mod issue? Actually, I don't know. I don't know. Check general. Okay. Coding is very high, bro. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So we need to set this up. So I need to import database. All right. So does that work? Let's see here. Let's do a curl. http://:00:8000, right? / internal server error. Video takes no arguments. Perfect. Okay. That's the first start. Okay, let's go to main. Main. Here we go. Video. Okay. Let's try that. Load. There we go. All right. Get status. Get add. Get commit. See, basic root call works. Push to main. All right. Hey, Bimpa, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. The pub key is deactivated. Yeah, I know. Loons, bring it back. Loons, we plead to you. Please bring it back. Bring it back if you can. If you can. What's up, bro? How are we doing? We're doing good, Krishna. Thank you. Appreciate it. We're building YouTube right now. That's the plan for today. We're building YouTube, you guys. And that sounds like quite a bit of effort, right? Look at memes. Okay. Memes. Here we go. Loons is holding us hostage a little bit. Let's see here. Make all of the text clean. That'll do it. That'll do it. Nice. Okay. So Loons is going to re-enable it pretty soon. When Loons re-enables it, it's going to be, what do you call it? Protected. So going forward, the script injection should no longer be script injected, right? There should be no more script injection. Just no more of that. We're done with the script injections. Where is that at here? Yeah. So once that's ready, we should be able to jump back in here. Stephen LB. And we should be able to type text again. Right now, it's off on purpose. Off on purpose. All right. So general really quick. Saw the errors. Disabled. Yep. Okay. It'll be back in a bit, you guys. It'll be back in a bit. AI. Yeah. Well, there's a little bit of AI there. Yeah. All right. Do you use write at your terminal or do you use the app? Or do you use AI? For me, mostly, I'm using my terminal window, right? That's what I do. I use this. You guys. All right. Input sanitized. All right. There you go. What you choose best, technology you choose to build fast. So what's your choice? Best technology? Okay, so Python and Node. Here Here, actually, I'll type it over here. So build fast equals Python and Node. Build well, build like high performance equals C and Rust. If you want a middle ground, you could, so it's like in between, you could do Go. It's like a good part way. So middle equals Golang. Those are, if you're building any kind of system, a web service or whatever, those are kind of, if you want to build it fast, right? You can actually build it fast. You're going to do Python Node. If you want to get in the middle of the ground, if you want to build high performance, Rust and C, you're going to spend a lot more time developing it though. Do you use AI in your terminal directly? Yes, I do. Yes. So like this, Claude, right? Claude, Codex, right? Anti-gravity, AGY. Yep, so we've got all those here. All of them right there. Right here, right there. Don't worry about this. It's not, I turned that off on purpose. All right, so let's close that down right there. Yo, Sergio, thank you for the chili. Appreciate it. Well, my gratitude's to you. Stacked systems, yeah, exactly. Sergio, thank you. Oh, so wonderful. Appreciate it. All right, where are we here? Let's leave all these windows back. There we go. Okay. Delete that. Okay, bringing everything back here. Okay. All right. So we go to videos, read, root. I don't want to say read root. We're just going to say root. There we go. Read. All right, we don't have that. Yo, how's it going there? Haridaras. Haridaras, thank you for the follow over there on Twitch. Good to have you here. Thank you very much. Mod, please. Okay, Rox, since you asked. We can do that. I think we can. So we do this. Let me see. I need to pull up the screen. Thank you again for the follow. Appreciate it. All right. Mod, how do we do this? I'm more used to YouTube. Let me see here. There's a button, follow, whisper, turbo, invite, block. Probably not block. What does invite do? No, that's not it. Let's see here. How do you mod someone on Twitch? I don't know how to do it. You too, Gloomy? Okay. How do we do this? Hey guys, do you know how to do this? How do you do this over here on Twitch? How to mod. Oh wait, there's a button to do it? Let's see here. So like, I click on your name, and then, here, let's try this again. Click over here. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there's a button here. Oh, plus, mod. There we go. Okay, there's just an icon. There, that was easy. Okay. Gloomy mod, done. Easy. All right. You guys are now mod on Twitch. All right. Congratulations. Okay, let's see here. Let me pull the screen back. Okay, good. Hello there. Hey, how's it going? Async ORM Fast API. Very nice. Yeah, gun highs. You found. Yes, that's what we're doing. We're going to be doing all async, all fast API, UV-corn, and we're going to try this. I've never used this before. This is async CPG for Postgres. I've never used it before. We're going to find out how it works. We're going to see if it's good or not. We're going to see. We're going to find out. Let's see if we can connect to our database. I believe I have it currently running, right? Do I have this? So I'm going to say docker compose. And then we'll say docker compose up-d. Let's see. Wait, how about we say down, docker compose down, removed, network, YouTube default app. Okay, looks good. Well, I got the powers gone straight to your head, Gloomy. Now you're there. You did it. Check your direct message. Okay. Never used either true async. Oh, async turtle. Okay, I've not used that either. Looks interesting. Let's go. We're going to try it out. How do we, let's see, docker compose up. I would like to keep this, I'd like to keep it like running. So how do we do that? I forgot what the command is for docker compose to do that. Minimal -up -f. No. How do we keep the logs directly visible on the screen? Down. There we go. All right. Docker compose down. OWN. There we go. Is there many async libraries? For Python, there's not. There's not very many async libraries. All right. Stephen LB. See if we're back here. Test. Nope. All right. Loon's still got it disabled. All right. You said check the direct messages. We're going to do that really quick. Just really quick here. Can I get a key for chat stream? No limits. Yes. I actually gave you one already. I gave you one. So if you look back many scrolls back here, we did the PubNub version of that thing, if you remember. Let me see if I can find it. Let me scroll. I'm trying to find that old message that we had here. Maybe you can find it later. I can't find it right now. Scroll back up and find a code that shared with you. It's in the code. It's in the code. It's somewhere in the code. Okay. G2G. All right, Zergio, thank you so much for hanging out with us. Appreciate it. All right, you guys. So how do we do this? Google, Docker, compose, up, keep active logs in window. There's like a command or like a flag. There's a flag. Yeah, but it's daemonizing though. It's automatically daemonizing. I want to keep it what do you call it? Not daemon, daemon, but what do you call it? So it remains active and attached. All right, that's what I want. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. All right, followers posting on Discord. It's gloomy. That sounds great. Thank you. I'd love that. Avoid D. Don't use detach or D. Abort on container exit. This flag stops all containers, services, restart. If your terminal window is still closing or detaching inexplicably, let me know. All right, so that's what I am doing. So Docker compose up. Database exited. Okay, so we do have a problem here. Unsupported terminal. Could not start menu or error occurred. Oh, with Docker. Okay. All right. So let me see here. I want to fix this. We need our database running. Appreciate all the hearts, you guys. All right. -V. All right, we'll try it again. Okay. And then we'll try up. Same problem. Okay. Or newer. Remove the data suffix. Okay. Data DB. Okay, volume. All right. All right, let's try that. Let's try that. Let's see if that does the trick. Okay. Let me see here. There we go. All right. Vi, Docker compose. All right. So it said data volume like that. Did we do that right? No. Let's just see here. Data, I suppose, we could call this whatever we want, right? Volumes, DB, data. Like this. There we go. Okay. All right, let's try that. All right, up. Missing target mount. Yeah, see, that's what I thought. Okay, so do we have to define the volume? Let's see here. We have to define the volume, I think, right? No. Here we go. How do we do that? All right, well, here, let's try this. All right, up. We'll figure this out. This is like the easiest. This is the easiest thing. Cat Docker compose PB copy. Okay. All right. English or Spanish? Paglet. What did we do wrong? Let's see here. Volumes. Oh, okay. That's what I needed right there. This fixes the undefined area. See, that's what I thought. Here we go. And we need to grab this. Paste. Let's see here. DB. And I suppose we could say ./data/Postgresql. All right. Okay. All right. See, you were just looking over the first PHP application that you ever wrote. Whoa, Bunzupi, blast from the past, right? Blast from the past. When you wrote many years ago, back in 2006, every single field was input sanitized. Hey! Wow, that's great. All right, let's see if this does the trick, you guys. All right, we're going to open this up over here. I'm going to I'm gonna split it a different way. Split my window this way. Okay. Docker compose up. Volumes database must be mapping or null. Okay. What about that? No? All right, fine. We'll keep it null. Oh wait. Oh, I totally messed this up. Volumes. There we go. Like that. Now, does that go under? Yes, it does. Okay. Okay. Let's try that. Nope. Still no good. Okay. How about that? Okay. Making progress. Making progress. Okay. There we go. All right. I'm Mars, bro. Come to Mars. Oh, are you really? What's on Mars? I think that sounds like worse than camping. Would you guys go to Mars? I wouldn't go to Mars. What do you think of a terminal user interface type operating system with mouse functions? I think that it's kind of defeating the purpose. I think it's defeating the purpose because if you have an operating system and you are terminal only, then what you don't need to bring your mouse in. So you don't think our chat app is coming back online anytime soon? I think they just exhausted the monthly limit for PubNub free tier. Well, maybe, though I gave Loons an infinite API. Oh, excellent. All right. Hey, user, how's it going? Good to see you. No, the free tier is very hard to exhaust. Like, it's very hard to exhaust. Like, there's no way we reached 1 million. We probably reached like 1,000 messages at most. 1,000 messages. So definitely not the free tier. I definitely guarantee that. Yeah. Okay. Is the one you gave me? All right. Nice. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Console only. Richard Stallman uses his operating system. Oh, it's console only. Hey, there we go. I think they might come back if they had skins like Winamp. Oh, Winamp! The llama. Yeah, remember that? I missed the visualizations. Okay. Let's get back to this here. Bring her back over here. Okay. La la la. Database. I'm just going to copy and paste this. Maybe I did something wrong. Here. Set, paste. Okay. Let's look at, see what I did. No paste. All right, here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here we go. What is happening here? Undo. Okay. Copy. Paste. Trying to see. Oh, I was missing a directory. Is that a thing? Is that a thing that's a problem? Huh. Okay. All right. All right. There we go. Okay, now let's see if it works. Hey, that's what we're looking for right there. All right, we got a database running. It only took us like 2 hours. That's crazy. I think he's just spoofed 1 million messages into the channel. Oh, got it. Well, you could always use the demo key. Demo key is free to get it back up and running. It's called demo. Check GE6. What is GE6? What is GE6? Okay. So now we got that up and running. We're good. General chat. Okay. Limits on the problem. Okay. I don't care about limits. That's not the problem. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. See, totally. Okay, gonna use. Okay. Nice. All right, so we're making progress. You meant general. Got it. No worries. All right, so I do have to wrap up here, and not right now, but like in a few minutes. And then let's see. So we got our Docker good. Let's see here. Let's see if we can connect into our database now. I think at very least, let's see if we can connect in. So video. How about we just say import database for now. Database. And then we're going to try to connect into it. We'll say connection equals database.connect. Connection. Okay. Curl. Looks good. Okay. Actually, what I would like to do is have a test. So I'll say, copy this. Here we go. And we'll say pb paste test.sh. Bring up a SHA bin zsh dot forward chmod plus text. They might come back if the, let's see here. Yo, Sandeep, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. chmod plus x test dot forward slash test. All right, good. That's what I want to see. Okay. Status. Git commit. Starting to start the DB connection. Okay. Hey, Chitter Royal. Yo, how's it going? Long time no see. Good to have you here. AI with Vire. Yo, it's AI with Vire. You too. Welcome on back. Long time no see. What's up, Steven? Why aren't you using Rust? We are doing Python because it was requested. You guys asked for it. You're like, hey, we should do Python. And the reason is because we're building a YouTube app. We're building YouTube app right here. Building a YouTube app. And to build YouTube, we could use Rust. I was actually planning to do Rust. And then it was requested that we do in Python. It's back up. Whoa, no way. Really? All right. Yo, check it out. Oh, that's awesome. Yo, Gloomy Traffic. Thank you. I like it. Let's zoom in. All right. For the curious, for the builders, for the Steven. Hey, Blummers. All right. Followers. All right. Connect, learn, and build, ship. That's what we're doing. Powered by PubNub. Real time's our thing. Wow. Look at that. You've got some Rust in here. Look at this. Some Rust code right there. I love it. I love it. Coding jokes. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. Yeah, there you go. There are 10 types of people in the world. Those who understand binary and those who don't. It's 2 types. Wink. Excellent. Why did the JavaScript dev go broke? Because he kept using var instead of saving. Ooh, the var. Well, you're supposed to use let now, right? Let is the new way. You can let or const. How many devs does it take to change a light bulb? None. It's a hardware problem because there's no software, right? No software engineering. Blummers join. All right, look at that. Chaos caffeine code. Oh, looking good. Thank you, Steven. Oh, inspiration, knowledge, Rustation vibes. Yes. Rust. Hey, look at that. It did it all. Building the real-time infrastructure of the internet. Thank you, Gloomy Traffic. Thank you very much. It's back up. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Here we go. All right. Test. Is it? I had to force reload. Here we go. Steven LB. Check it out. Join. Yo, it is! Success. Back. Nice. We did it! Good job, Loons. Thank you. It seems like the presence is broken though. Yes. Yep. There we go. Working. Success. Thank you, Loons. Using all of our human-computer interface is probably the best. Voice is good for broad commands. Muscle movements for precision. So if you're playing like, you know, a first-person shooter, yeah, FPS game, a voice command would be difficult in that case, right? All right, so we have our it looks like our presence is broken. However, yo, it somewhat works, right? And then I see here. So the time could be used a little bit of help there, a little bit of help on the time. Why does presence have to be? I know, right? Crazy. You know what? At least though it's safe now. You removed all of the vulnerabilities. All right? You removed the vulnerabilities, so success there. That counts. All right, you guys. So, Loons, if you get a chance, you don't have to do any more work on this. You don't. If you do get a chance, it would be neat to see the presence working in. You don't have to do that though. This was a lot of fun. You brought back memories. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I do have to get going. Let's see here. Get status. All right. I would like to maybe potentially try to connect to the database really quick. I know we've got it running. So let me see if we can try that. Shout out to Loons. Yes. Shout out to Loons with 3 O's. Party Popper. Very nice. Hey, nice try getting the script going there. Have a good day later. Thanks for the inspiration. Absolutely, Athvire. All right, you guys, I do got to get going. I had a lot of fun today. We will be back tomorrow. We'll continue building our YouTube app here. We'll build the YouTube app. We got the database up and running. We got our schema good. Now we need to connect into the database, generate our table, and then start introducing videos into the table. Once we have that part, then we have the foundation of our app. So we've got the ability to upload and download and watch videos. We need to add in the binary side of things so you can actually host and serve the videos as another part. And then that is the minimum viable product at that point. The MVP. The MVP. Yo. It worked. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining. I'm headed out now. Have a good rest of your day. See you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye everybody.